Hey guys, J3 Videos here. We're going to try this again from the mobile gas station giving me a fail. But today we're doing LaserWash M5. There's your menu pause if you want to read. Okay, I gotta go through my wallet to get the 10, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I can get my wallet put away.
Please insert money at the left block. Please insert money at the left block.
This is not like in my dollar bill. I guess I'll pick a new one out.
Please insert money at the left block. Please select your wash packet. Do you want a better Please take your receipt.
We're doing inside view, people. Alright, here we go. LaserWash M5.
Didn't expect that.
It was just the underbody spray.
I know.
So look, whoops. You did good. This time you didn't have to back up.
Thank you.
I'm gonna open this up so we don't forget. Double coating a pre-soak. Got it really good. This is doing a good job. Hey, a shout out to the elevator channel, since I like when you did the PDQ tandem, when you had to see how many dollars you had to give to the top wash. So shout out to the elevator channel. You know, instead of me wearing the camera holder, I'll do it this way, much easier. Okay, another coating of pre-soak. I think this is going better, people. Look how dark it is. And by the way, people, this is the Ingles receipt from the car wash. And here comes our high pressure rinse. there. What we got? Rain-X. The Mountain Dew Rain-X, because the Rain-X smells like Mountain Dew. Wow, that's a big kind of stuff. Also, shout out to Review by Vincent. He's a good car wash reviewer. And shout out to all of my fans on YouTube as well, just to say hi. I think we're getting triple foam. Yep, that's what it sounds like. Here comes tri-foam, Mom. You're gonna love it. Oh wow, look at that. Best coverage. Pink, blue, yellow, green, and orange. We picked the right bay now, people. No fail. It's amazing. Look at that, people. High five, Mom. One more look at the tri-foam. And over here, I love Ingles Car Wash. Turned green when the water rinsing was going. And what we got? Spot-free rinse. Just getting hit with spot-free water. And I have PDQ Max air dryers that are about to get ready to start up. There they go. So let's see how these dryers do. That little X is still showing stop. Dryers from the top. Not that good of a job, but I like PDQ dryers. Second pass. If it went a little slower, that would have helped the water to get dried. Get my seatbelt on, ready to go. I'll have an Ingles self-checkout video come up, so hope you guys enjoy. Alright, thank you all for watching.